Hi, my name is Renee and I'm an appliance repair tech. So yesterday I made a video helping Ben Brainerd with his appliances, and I mentioned that his dishwasher was not installed correctly. Well, as it turns out, I was wrong. I'm gonna let David explain.
My name's David. I am not an appliance repair tech, but you know what I am? Plumbing expert. I have the work boots to prove it. That little thingy on your countertop is called an air gap. The purpose of an air gap is to literally do that if there's a clog in your drain line. It is also referred to as a backflow device. In other words, this keeps the dirty water from getting back into your dishwasher. So it is a good thing, and you know that it works. And that's also a good thing. What's not good is that you've got a clog, and it's splashing all over the place, as you said.
David goes on to explain what exactly an air gap is and how to fix the issue that Ben's having. This is a screenshot from David's video showing how that's generally installed. And David tagged me in that video. He tagged me and he tagged Ben. I saw the tags. I watched the video. I sent that to Ben immediately after I saw it. And I full out said, hey, I was wrong. Here's the video. This is what it actually is. Now, why isn't this something that I knew about? Because I live in Connecticut and I have only ever worked in Connecticut. I had to do a little bit of research on it because not only have I never seen that in my professional life, I've never seen that in my personal life either. And apparently air gaps like that are only required by plumbing code in a handful of states. Connecticut is not one of them, but California, where Ben just moved to, is. So I was wrong. His dishwasher is actually installed correctly. However, if you go watch the rest of David's video, he explains how there is a separate issue related to the air gap. Because either way, it shouldn't be draining like that regularly. Also, go follow David. He's got some great content.